Hey guys, Space Cap here. How you guys doing? So I found this bug in YouTube Studio that when you try and save, when you change a playlist, you can't save. You can't see the save button on the top right. It's just there's just zero appears. And how to fix this is you pretty much press the 0 a few times, and there we go, a notifications tab opens up. You just click the arrow to the left and then the save button will be there and you can save. I can't save right now because I already got the playlist there, but yeah, the button is there, you can save it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next one, till then.